Sige, sa kanya na video lesson, ato ang pinaka-goal is to ipakita ra gyud ninyo kung unsa ninyo inequalities into variables niya. Mga tawag na mo test tag point kung kana na point is maka-satisfy sa given na inequality. Okay? Natay gitawag din ng general steps, which means dili ni siya ang atong step-by-step solution, kundi mao ni ang mga consideration na steps na pwede na to gamiton whether we like it or not. Mas better gamit na nato kay mas kuha man siya, mas dali ta maka-graph kay ang graphing mo na to ang next episode or next lesson after ani. Okay? Nato 5 ka buok, graph the inequality separately. So we can choose among sa inequality kung unsa to ang gamiton. So it could be natay mga choices manggod ani. Nga again, we can according ani it's a may tip na pwede na to siya i-graph separately. Dahil ang graph sa kuan equation, actually first is equation. That's why y equals mx plus b. Shaded region, dapat aware mo kung si pasabot sa greater than equal or greater than less than ba siya or greater than na siya. Dapat kay bawo mo sa shaded region. Identify the feasible region. Kaning feasible region mo yung overlapping na region. Express the solution na nipod siya. Ang test of points mo yung pinaka-highlight na to karong adlaw sa kanina ato ang video tutorial. So, okay, that's the point. Test points ta pinakaunang method ang buhaton. Okay, given this first example, it's clear na mao ni ato ang inequality na gihatag x plus 2y less than 4. So first step is you have to verify kung kaning 1, 2. So you have to put x and y there above. And again, our x is 1, that's why we put here. And our y is 2. So that we can plot the point in this position. And we could say it's not the solution because of this formation. Aside from that, we can do two ways. We can input the given 1, 2 in the inequality itself. First things first, we have to write again the inequality. Second, we change the x into 1. We change the y into 2. 2 times 1 will become 2. 2 times 2 will become 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And take note, 6 is not, again, not less than 4. That's why it is also not the solution, not one of the solutions. Now let's proceed to number 2 here, example number 2. And it's not exact example, but the point number 2 here, we have 3 and negative 2. Similar to the first point, we can put again, we can write the x plus 2y less than 4. We can rewrite this here, and we have to plug in the x will become 3, the y will become negative 2, and 3 plus 2 times negative 2 will become, this will become negative 4, right? Yeah, if it's plus, so negative 4, 3 plus negative 4 will become negative 1. And negative 1 is less than 4, right? So, in short, the answer for this is correct and this is true. Since this kind of inequality, when we plug in the 3 and negative 2, we've got the idea which is really true, that negative 1 is really less than 4. Therefore, it is included. Again, the positive 3 and negative 2. Okay, I hope it's clear. And maybe there's a confusion here. I thought this is 2 minus 2. The right answer is 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1. Okay, I hope that is clear. And again, in the next video lesson, you are going to graph the given inequality. This time, I just show you how to plot the points given the equation itself and the point, 1 point or 2 points. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. Basically, this is just the same with example number 1. And The only difference is the given. In the left side of the screen, you can see here 3, 2. You just again plug in the 3 here in x and the 2 in y, and eventually we can get the number 12 less than 6. This is false. So therefore, this is not a solution, or this is not part of the solution. And again, 2, the 3 and 2 is here. So if we plug the 3, again the x is 3. This is the x, 3, and the 2 is our y. So here is the real point, so 3 and 2. And if ever we have another point, here 2 and 3, still it's not part of the solution. Take note, 2 is the first coordinate, and 3 is the second, 3 which is y. That's why, that's the idea there. They are not part of the solution. What part of the solution is this one, 0, 0, because if we plug in 0 and 0, again x is 0 and y is 0, therefore this is the color blue here. This is part of the solution because 0 plus 0 is less than 6, and this is true, and the equation is true. And for your task, if you are still listening there, could you please answer, what if 3 and 0 is our point? Is it part of the solution? Can you verify it? Just pause for a while and answer on the comment section below, or answer on our class if you want to participate. Now let's proceed to the assessment. So just get a piece of paper and try to plug in the values, and if it's true, then you can put check here. You can write check and X. If not, so it's your choice if what's your answer, and it should be based on your solution. Okay, that's the assessment number 1. And the assessment number 2, you have to verify the odd pair if solution of linear inequality. They are actually the same. So determine whether each order pair solution and verify. The only difference of determine is you can draw. In determine, you can draw. And if you want to verify, you have to solve for the inequality using the values given on A, B, C, D, and E. Okay? Thank you so much for your time watching the video lesson.